Hi, fourth graders. We have been studying a lot about ecology as we celebrated Earth Week last week, and we just want to continue on and give you the opportunity to do some exploring and researching of your own. And so for a couple days this week, you will see this slide and you will have the same assignment using our resource of pebblego to do some researching and just take notes of things that you have learned. And so I want you to hang with me for a few minutes as I show you what expectations are and how you will explore. So when you get to Seesaw, you will get this slide as your first one, okay? And I'm going to show you pebblego in just a moment, but you'll want to make sure that you circle the topic that you choose to research. So using that shapes tool on Seesaw, you would circle the one that you've chosen. So when I show you today and I give you an example, I would circle biomes because that is where I'm going to be researching today. Then I'm going to spend some really great time researching. And so let me show you what that will look like. All right, friends, here I am at pebblego. And when you log in to pebblego, you will get to this slide. Okay, and it will probably open up and it will be on this blue screen of pebblego. But friends, we want to get a little bit more information. And so you're going to come to this pebblego next, this purple tab. So we'll click here. And we are in science, and so we're going to click on science. And believe it or not, even though we are studying the earth, we are actually going to be clicking into life science. So we went to pebblego next, the purple tab. We chose science, and we picked life science. And now we're going to go to this life in an ecosystem. And here's that screen that I showed you earlier that you will find on your Seesaw. So I have all of these options of things to research. Friends, you will be having 3 days to do some researching using this pebblego next resource. So you can decide, you don't have to just pick one, okay? But today I want to focus on biomes. Again, you can choose your own. So I clicked on biomes and look at all of these different biomes or ecosystems that we've already had a chance to talk about. And so I'm going to do some exploring. And I'm going to click on one that sounds interesting to me. And I'm going to read all about it. Okay, and I see all these different facts. It can read it to me if you'd like that option by clicking on that little speaker button. Okay, and I see all of these awesome facts and this information. Okay, and I'm just going to explore and research today. And so you can always get back to where you were previously by clicking on these icons back here. So I was in oceans, and I just want to get back to biomes to see, maybe I want to explore the temperate forests. Okay, so you're just going to do some awesome exploring on pebblego. Once you finish that, we're going to hop back over to Seesaw and I'll show you how to complete your assignment for today. All right, fourth graders, you've done your awesome exploring. You see this slide. Remember, you're going to circle the category you chose. I would circle this biomes. And then after you've spent all that time exploring, maybe you've written things down as you're reading so we don't forget. Okay, just in a notebook. You're going to submit this page. And in complete sentences, you are going to answer and you're going to write down in this box 3 facts you learned. Friends, you're going to learn so many awesome things as you research and explore. So I want you to, in a complete sentence, give me 3 facts that you learned about your topic. Okay. Then you're going to give 2 I wonders. Maybe you learned something and it left a question in your head. And you really are curious about more. And you have a question and I wonders. Okay. And then you're going to leave 1 more question. What didn't you get answered that you want to know more about? So again, you're going to leave 3 facts, 2 I wonders, and 1 question, and you'll submit that for your science today. Happy researching, and go enjoy all of the things you can learn on pebblego.